Hey guys, this is Noah's Gaming PCs with yet another video. Today we're looking at how to build a gaming PC to play the Return to Moria. These are the system requirements. There's the minimum and the requirement. If you guys seen my videos that I normally make of this type, I try to go somewhere that is in between the minimum and the recommended requirements for any PC game. In this case, it's Lord of the Rings, Return of Moria. So you're welcome to take a look at this, but let's go ahead and look at the parts that I already picked out for you. So we're gonna go with a $18 DDR3 RAM, 16 gigabytes, plenty. More than surpasses the requirements, followed by a PSU that's going to only cost us $28. It has 500 watts of power, ATX power supply, followed by SSD, 512 gigabytes for only $27. Not only are we going to be able to play Lord of the Rings Return to Moria, but a bunch of other games as well. Now, of course, we need a CPU cooler for our LGA 1150 socket motherboard and CPU that we're going to go with. So that's the $12. We're going to go to AliExpress. Again, just really quickly, the previous items, parts, we can get them from Amazon. This one is $27, and we're going to get it from AliExpress. It's a LGA 1150 motherboard. Has great reviews. A lot of these have been sold already for 197. 197 sold. The thing with AliExpress, you need to be patient. It's going to take anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. So if you're planning to do this quick, you better find local options. The CPU that we're going to go with is the i7 4790K. Very good processor. Again, this is using LGA 1150 socket, and this is going to cost us $66. And we're going to go to my favorite place to find good cases for your PC builds, Micro Center. Hopefully you have one local to you. This one costs $50. It's pretty nice. Has a red, green, blue RGB lighting, standard. I don't think, I've built with this case. You cannot change it. The colors, it's just rainbow color, the red, green, blue. But still, we're trying to save money. So, and then of course we're gonna go with a graphics card, the GTX 1616 Super with 6 gigabytes of VRAM for only $108. Again, AliExpress is gonna take 2 or 3 weeks to arrive for you, so make sure you plan ahead. And the reason why I went with this one is because it's going to give us a little bit more juice. The minimum specs for this, if we go back to this, says a GTX 1060. If you can't afford the GTX 2060, AliExpress has some good options. I paid 170 something, 175 the other day that I bought it from AliExpress. But you can save a little bit money and go with a $108 one. And you're going to get based on the Power Tech Power Up GPU database relative performance. Look at that, 100%. You're going to get 28% greater FPS if you go with the 1660 Super. That's why I decided to go with this one, and I found a good deal on AliExpress. So let's go ahead and sum up all these numbers here. So we got 108. Probably should have done this before I actually started recording. This one is $50. The case. We got $66 for the CPU. The motherboard only costs $28. Nice. $12 for the cooler. We got $27 for the SSD. We got $28 for the PSU. And last but not least, $18 for that. And guess what, guys? You're going to be able to play Lord of the Rings Return to Moria for only $337. And guys, you'll be able to play AAA titles on medium, low, 1080p resolution easily on this setup. But again, we were looking at the Lord of the Rings Return to Moria, and we just built a system for $337. If you guys are interested in picking up these parts, I will provide the links for you guys. Again, this is Noah's Gaming PCs. We just showed you how to play Return to Moria on a budget build that's going to let you play Roblox, Valorant, Minecraft, Fortnite, Return of Moria, and other AAA titles on medium to low settings, easily going to get upwards of 60, 70, 80 frames per second easily on those settings. Again, this is Noah's Gaming PCs. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next video. Again, the most important takeaway here is only $337. You build it yourself. You're going to have a nice gaming rig that's going to last you easily 5, 6, 7 years from now. You'll be able to game on this until you have to worry about maybe upgrading it or buying a new one. Okay, again, you're welcome to check out my shop, Noah's Gaming PCs, where you guys can get my affordable gaming PCs that I build for you. And let me know, guys, if you have any tests or any questions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, the game that we really want to play is the Return to Moria, as you can see right here. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will do a gameplay of this game if you guys really want me to. Again, Noah's Gaming PCs. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys, for supporting me.